To operate your Broan ventilation fan, it is recommended that a 2-function switch be used for models without a light and a 3-function switch be used for models with a light. The control box, located inside the fan housing, allows you to make adjustments to the low continuous airflow, the boost fan speed, and the humidity sensor on select models. The low continuous airflow can be adjusted from 30 CFM up to the high-speed airflow the fan is set to. Time delay can be set for 3 to 30 minutes for models without humidity sensing and is factory set to 20 minutes for models with humidity sensing. The boost speed can be set for either 50, 80, or 100 CFM. The humidity sensor can be set anywhere between 30 and 80% relative humidity levels. To turn the fan on, turn the control switch to the on position. If the boost switch is on, the fan will run at the certified high airflow rate. When the boost switch is turned off, the fan will continue to run at the certified high airflow rate until the time delay has elapsed, and then will automatically change to the continuous run low airflow rate. To turn the fan off, turn the control switch to the off position.